Okay, let's take a look at another pick by GJ Locks. This is the pick for the Yale Superior, Platinum and the Magnum type locks. And what are they? Those type of locks look like this. Now, the Platinum is a 3-star, which has the lockdown mode, and the Yale Superior, you know, they're all very similar. Some have got more pins than others. And some of them have got a lockdown mode or not, but again, this is the type of lock they are. This is the type of key. Again, this is a really popular lock because it's just available just about anywhere, so people even that don't understand much about locks and bits and pieces won't pick this up in B&Qs or screw fixes and places like that. So yeah, it's a very popular lock, lots of them out there, and that's the type of lock it is. So what do you get in the kit? This is the box. So I open the box, and this is what you get inside the kit. Not that, that's mine. This is what you get inside the kit. So you get a little tool for the sliders, and this is exactly what this is here. This is an old pick that I've filed down for myself, so when I want to individually manipulate the sliders I can do that. But it does come with one in the kit, so it comes with one for the sliders in the kit, and that's something that's on one side of the lock. You get a tensioning bar. This is for when you pick one part of the lock and then you move on to another, then you need to swap over and use this tool. And this is the physical pick itself. It comes with obviously with a few extra bits and pieces in the box as well, but these are your main parts for your lock. So you've got a part for the picking the sliders, a part for the changeover, and a physical pick for the pins, and basically everything's marked up depending on the amount of pins that are in the lock. So if it's a shorter lock, you've got the smaller amount of pins. If it's a longer pick lock, you've got more amount of pins, and it's all marked up for you. And basically it just goes through picking the pins like that. So yeah, it's a very simple, straightforward tool to use. Not very difficult. Again, I'm not doing the demonstrating, we've been over that already, and there's plenty of other more educational videos of that for me, but just showing you the tool with itself, and it works really well. It does the job. It opens it. Again, it's another one of those that really needs practice. They do require very light tension. You know, you start putting too much tension on these, they really do bind up. So light tension, but the tool does work really well. You know, obviously I've opened quite a few doors with it on jobs, and it does the job. So hope you like it. Cheers.